Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Shakil Mahmud. I'm talking on analysis of time series data. Um, in this slide, I'm talking about the data, chemical data. First of all, I will talk about the introduction, then time series plot, then ARIMA 200 order selection, and ACF on residual for ARIMA 200, then after that ARIMA 003, MA3 or MA1, ACF on residual 2, ARIMA 001 or MA1, and after that I will talk about the estimation AIC and BIC, forecasting for ARIMA 2,00, and finally conclusion. So the report addresses the issue how starting in introduction from a time series may be possible to build a model which is able to reproduce the observed value and trying to predict future outcomes. Graphical analysis to identify an appropriate model AR or MA is utilized. We have downloaded the dataset. That dataset is 95 observation. We have dealt with our analysis with this work in schema. These are the work in schema. So here from the data set, I plotted the data. It shows that that is stationary, but to be more confirmed that pencils, we need to check in ACF plot of data where it shows that ACF dies down quickly in a sine wave, and we said that our data set is stationary, so we don't need to do differencing of this data. And now we check for PSCF data of this model. Here the model in the case is cut off in leg 2. And now we will consider the ARIMA order selection for ARIMA 200. We will see that in the final distribution for the AR1, AR2 is less than 0.05, I mean p value, which is significant, but according to the reference system, Langbong's is which is also not significant. So also estimate the focus for the next value, uh, focus for the next three values. Here 33, 35, and 36. Now we'll check residual for here two. All leg is inside the red line. You can see here, and for MA MA3, we see that the final estimation estimate final estimation for p value is less than 0.05 in MA1 and constant term, which is significant, but in long box p value is greater than 0.05, which is not significant. Due to this abnormality, we can proceed with a different method to get p values. Now we will consider the order selection MA1. Here we see that all p values are significant for both MA and constant term, and also significant for diagnosis. So we can consider the order selection for prediction. Next we will check for residual 2 for MA1. So here we see that the all leg are not inside the red line. So our estimation, we will calculate the AIC-BIC for MO1 and AR2, which is according to principle of parsimony. The value of AIC and BIC for AR2 is better because of low value. Moreover, we can see the residual one correlation function, like significance is left for AIC. Also, AR model is suitable for short-term forecast. So now, even though the data is until 95, the forecast value is 96, 97, 98 value. So here is the forecasted value. So before going to conclusion, we can say that the long box test and SCM for the residual RMR 2 still best for the time series analysis here. Thank you so much.